ठीक
Guys, can we
सुनेगा
please
नहीं
have
ध्यान
it flat?
बाई ले
Poison baby. वैसे तो पूरी रात बजना चाहिए लेकिन अभी बजा लो फटाफट से.
Is Jasmine gonna sing right now?
Kashish is still on his way, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask Rashmika and Rashmika both to come on stage very, very quickly. Splendid, very splendid to look at you. Rashmika looks like a dream. Can we please scream for Rashmika? Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Actually, होने की जगह भी थामा बोलना चाहिए. Rashmika, it's so good to see you. You were fantastic in Chava. Guys, 1 second. Thoda calm down. Rashmika's come, Baba. All right, so Rashmika, the trailer has obviously broken the internet. There's a lot of love that's coming your way. The way you're looking in, tum mere na hue. Also, with the charm in every scene, what would you like to say? How are you dealing with all this love?
Pehle to, hi everyone, how are you? Having fun, we're just starting, so are you excited for a great show? Ha, Ninbauna. Thank you. How am I feeling with all the love? I feel extremely grateful. Thank
So
you.
sweet.
See? Grateful. And I look forward to Thama release. I think it's going to be a different experience for all of you. Thank you so much for giving us all this love always. I love you. Thank you so much. You make my life worth living. Thank you.
Just do what you do normally. This. I'll start doing this with every person in my life now. Rashmika, कोई भी Maddock का event किसी surprise के बिना पूरा ही नहीं होता.
जी.
And I've heard that today while we're on stage there is another surprise for us.
Yeah.
क्या हम उस surprise को unsurprise कर सकते हैं? Can we not wait anymore? We need to make some noise.
I think the surprise now should just go as a surprise. You don't know what you're looking forward for, so be surprised.
Be surprised, be surprised. But you got to be excited also. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ phone पकड़ के खड़े. Excitement, excitement. Right?
Okay, but listen, I've just realized that Maddock Universe, Dinesh sir, Amar Kaushik sir cannot do without great iconic music, okay? And with iconic music, you need someone iconic to be a part of that music, right? To lead the music. So today, we have the legend, the OG, Malaika Arora joining us.
Guys, you've got Malaika and Rashmika on stage. It's the OG. क्या nice room
सुजीत
में
भाई।
extra air conditioner है because
ओ सुजीत भाई
the माहौल
थोड़ा
got
साइड में करो ना
hotter by so many more degrees. Malaika,
थोड़ा सा
I
side
don't
में
know how
करो
you do it. You do it every time. But this is the first
आ रहा है
time
frame
you're
में
part of the unforgettable, the most amazing MSCU, which is the Maddock Horror Comedy Universe. How did you feel to be a part of this?
चिल्ला रहा है ना उसको बोल हम लोग भी ना ले थोड़ा साइड ऊपर हो सकता है उनका भी
Well, good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for that beautiful introduction. I'm super, super excited to be part of the Maddock Horror Comedy Universe. It's been a great privilege to be part of it. I think after so long, I've really enjoyed a song. I'm really looking forward to it. मैं और क्या बोलूँ? It's going to be a
Are we ready for the dhamaka as Rashmika, of course, standing up and Malaika joining this entire
भाई लोग?
तो ये जो स्टार्टिंग की 4 लाइन है ना, उसमें वाह बोलनी पड़ेगी आपको सबको, ठीक है? बहुत कोशिश की है मुंह में पान रख के गाने की। हम दिल के बुरे नहीं,
लाहौल मिला।
बोलो बाबा। बस एक खराबी है, आदत से नहीं, हम सब शौक से शराबी।
और सबसे ज्यादा सिंसियर कौन है?
एक्चुअली दोनों दोनों बहुत सिंसियर है और नॉटी तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, लेकिन वेरी वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग है। नॉटीनेस के लिए एक्चुअली, हाँ ये करेक्ट बोली है आप, नॉटीनेस के लिए टाइम ही नहीं था हमारे पास। वी वर शूटिंग बैक टू बैक रोज, क्या नॉटीनेस करेंगे, बट एक्चुअली हमारे प्रोड्यूसर नॉटी निकल गया। आपने उनका गाने में देखी झलक, तो जो नॉटीनेस किया उन्होंने गाने में, तो अमन जी ने किया है। इज बीन लॉट ऑफ फन टू वर्क विद, बट दोनों बहुत सिंसियर एक्टर्स हैं। आई थिंक ये पूरे लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट है, सो नॉटी तो है नहीं दोनों, बट नॉटीनेस करनी पड़ेगी।
Is there anyone in the cast who was very very naughty or just would make you laugh because he was concentrated?
परेश जी,
Paresh Rawal.
परेश जी, why he was naughty, you know, उनका नॉटीनेस ऐसे नहीं है, बिकॉज उनके रेफरेंस ऑफ कैरेक्टर इतने हैं। हम उनको रोज सेट पे पूछते थे कि अरे आपका वो उस फिल्म का डायलॉग आपने कैसे किया था, और हेरा फेरी और अंदाज अपना अपना, हमारे इतने गप्पे
Just fanboys around.
You are fanboys around here.
Yeah.
And he used to do it for us. I mean, he used to enact, he used to tell us some amazing stories about his films. So Paresh ji was the artist.
Nice. Guys, Ayushman Khurrana, so many questions have already been asked about Thama, about your anticipation, about the excitement, about कैसा लग रहा है Madog Horror Comedy Universe का हिस्सा बनके. Is there any question you want to ask me, the audience? Any question? What would that question be? डाल दिया ना spot पे. Spotified. Ayushman, like, Sharsha. I'm going to start like Tamsharaz right now.
अरे बस हो गया यार,
Okay.
10 बज गया।
अच्छा, आयुष्मान आप पहले जवाब देंगे, उसके बाद में I have one more thing to do. But
अरे बाप रे बाप, कितना
Spot. Ask me the question. Ask. Yeah.
अरे बाप
We have asked you so many questions. What question would you like the
रीना,
audience?
तुम क्यों डांस नहीं करती? जितने तीन गाने हमारे डांस वाले हैं, you not dance in front of.
I too love dancing. You don't follow me on Instagram, you don't know.
I'll
The
follow
day
you.
you start following, तुम मेरे हो चुके हो सनम.
आप भी दिया डांस
मेरा वर्जन है.
बहुत सा क्यूट वर्जन है रीना, हमें फॉलो करना बनता है।
थैंक यू. देखिए, हम फटाफट से काम करते हैं, इनको और स्पॉट पे नहीं डालते हैं, इनको आराम करने देते हैं, ये पिक्चर को निकल जाने to live on the 21st of October. Rashmika, Ayushman, Aditya, the entire team of Madog, Universal Music, Spotify Advertising. I am so happy and glad. मैं जब कुछ करने वाली होती हूँ, ये आती है मेरे पास में और मेरा स्क्रिप्ट बदल देती है. हम थैंक यू बोलेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले हम कशिश कपूर को बुलाएंगे. And for that, I would like Ayushman and Aditya to take their seats. Come back in a second. Rashmika to stay on stage. Don't worry. Let them be. Oh, बहुत बढ़िया.